Hello my friends, how are you today? I finally got the road finished, built it, not finished, I got to paint it and all that stuff, but yeah, finally got it finished. It took ages. So there we go, what about 8-9 nights? I wasn't working on it all the time, but yeah, it took a while. Got it even boarded on one side. Once I get the this part finished, so once I get the surface ready, I'll put a little border along there as well, so we can start to build up the building in. But yeah, god damn, it took a long time, but well worth it. It's better than those mold ones, because there's those mold ones, they seem to just repeat the same pattern over and over, but this one there's no repeat of pattern. It's just random shitful John work, because this is the first road I've ever tiled, well, the first tiling job I've ever done. So I suppose that worked in my favour, that I was a complete amateur, because it looks crap, but the crappiness makes it look good. So there you go, filled, ready for painting. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Just thought I'd give you a quick look. Cheers.